If your Receiver In Canal hearing aid is not producing sound or the sound is muffled, there are some troubleshooting techniques you can try at home. First, restart the device by opening and closing the battery door, making sure the door is firmly shut. The hearing aid is switched on when the battery door is closed. You may need to wait up to 15 seconds for the hearing aid to turn on. If the door does not close, you may have inserted the battery upside down. Take the battery out, turn it over and place it back in the door. The door should now close with ease. To test if the hearing aid is working, cup the hearing aid in your hand. If you or someone with you hears a whistling sound, similar to this one, your hearing aid is producing sound and is ready for use. If you don't hear a whistling sound, the next step is to replace the battery. To replace the battery, open the battery door and remove the battery. If the battery is stuck, gently tap it with a cleaning stick. Take a new battery from the packet. Using a magnetic tool like this one may make it easier. Remove the protective sticker, place the battery in the door, and close the door, making sure it is firmly shut. As you did earlier, test the hearing aid by cupping it in your hand and listen for a whistling sound. If there is no sound, the next step is to clean the hearing aid. First, wipe the hearing aid using a clean, dry cloth. Using the brush provided with your hearing aid, remove any wax or debris you can see in the dome and main device. If the dome looks worn, remove the dome and replace it with a new one, making sure the new dome is fully inserted onto the receiver. Once again, test the hearing aid is working by cupping it in your hand. If there is no sound, you may need to clean the wax filter. Remove the dome and using the brush, remove any wax or debris from the filter. If you are unable to clean the filter, you will need to replace it with a new one. If you feel comfortable changing the filter, follow the next steps. If you don't, our audiology professionals are ready to help install. Take a new filter stick. You can get replacements like this from Specsavers. Your filter stick may look different to this one, but the process is the same. Each stick has two ends. One end has the new filter, the other end is the removal tool. Insert the removal end into the sound outlet and gently remove the stick. Turn the stick around, push the new filter into the sound outlet, and remove the stick. The new filter will now be attached to the hearing aid. Discard the stick after use and reattach the dome. Once again, test the hearing aid by cupping it in your hand. If there is still no sound, our audiology professionals are ready to help. Contact your local Specsavers or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.